Hi everyone, it's Liv at We Draw It, and today we're going to be drawing a cute donut. First we're going to form our donut shape, which is a circle. So I'm just going to place my cup in the middle of the paper and trace around it to make that perfect circle. Then I'm going to draw a smaller circle within that circle. Now I'm going to draw the eyes. Draw two circles near the bottom of our donut. Then add an arch on each one of those eyes. Then we're going to add some sparkles to our eyes. So just draw another circle within our eyes. And then we're going to add another circle right below that circle. Now let's color in our eyes. Now draw a curved line underneath each of those eyes. And then for the mouth, we're going to make a moon shape. So draw a smile, and then go back in and make another smile. Now let's make our donut extra cute and add a couple eyelashes. So just draw two small curved lines on each side of the eye. Now for our frosting, we're going to draw a wavy line all the way around our donut. And that's our donut! Now for the fun part, we're going to color it in and decorate it the way that we want. So I'm just using an almond color Sharpie marker, but you can use any shade that you want. You use crayons, pencils, markers, whatever you feel like. Now I'm going to add some sprinkles, and I'm using my neon Sharpie markers. I'm using a neon blue, neon pink, and neon green. And all I'm going to do is draw some lines, and those are going to be my sprinkles. You can draw them in any way that you want. Now let's go back in and color in her mouth with that black marker. So you know how to make basic sprinkle shapes using those markers, but you can have fun and try different things. Like for example, you can do star shapes. So I have star shapes in all different sizes and different colors here. Here I used heart confetti and even changed the frosting color to pink. Congratulations you guys, you now know how to draw this cute donut. I hope you had fun drawing with me, and I hope you have fun decorating your donut in all the different ways that you can come up with. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So thank you so much for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now!